All right. On today's episode of What's New in Genesis Now, we've added a new feature. Sometimes our insured drivers they make mistakes, as we'll call them today, and we want to add the violations to their profile. So if you see here, we're under a personal auto policy. We have our drivers here. Go into our driver. All right, and under the violation section here, we hit the plus sign. All right, we got to choose our violation. We'll just something random here. Select the date. And now the points field is directly below the occurrence and conviction date. Okay, much more efficient. Save and add another. Okay, let's just say, all right. Okay, and if I close out of here, we'll see our violations are listed right there. Very efficient. You can add multiple violations for a driver. It takes a lot less time than it used to. And yeah, if you have any questions about this or anything else, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.